welcome back to another episode of Easy Peasy Labeling with me, Melissa. Did you know that the LW-PX900 has a line swap feature? Well, what is line swap, you might be wondering? Line swap is a feature that easily allows me to swap lines of information on a label. Now, typically I see this used most frequently in the electrical, datacom, telecom, really anybody who's doing wire cabling installs. So typically what they're doing is they're going to create a label with two lines of text, and the first line is going to be where the wire is going to, and the second line is going to be where it's coming from. So that would be on one side of the wire, and then on the other side it's going to have the same information just reversed or swapped. So enter the line swap feature. Now I'm using the self-laminating tape today, but you could use standard adhesive tape, you could use heat shrink tube, you could even use this feature with the wrap or flag features on the printer. Alright, so now you know what line swap is and what you might use it for. Let me show you how easy it is to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the printer on. Now again, I'm using the self-laminating tape, so it's going to prompt me to set up my label. So I'm just going to do a set length. I'm going to do 1 inch. Perfect. And for this application, I only need the one label, so I will hit return. All right, so now I've already got in here, typed in my first label, to and from. So I'm going to print that one. Now to do the line swap, I'm going to press the settings button, settings or format. So I'm going to hit that button. I'm going to scroll all the way down to line swap, and then I'll press return. It says, do you want to apply this to the whole label or to blocks? If I had multiple labels, I could pick and choose. I'm just going to apply it to the whole label. So hit return. You'll see it automatically swaps the lines of information. So I just push print. Easy peasy. Now I've got my two labels that I needed. I can go label those wires. So that was using the line swap feature on the LW-PX900. If you have questions on line swap, the PX900, or any of our other products, we would love to chat with you. Thanks again, and happy labeling.